Tempo's PA4590 training kit has all the necessary tools for training Ethernet and coax technicians. It contains the PA1561 All-in-One UTP Crimper for cutting and stripping round or flat cables and crimping RJ11 and 22s, the Paladin Datacomm scissors, the PA1179 contour cable cutter, the Cyclops cable stripper, a NETcat-100 Micro Wiring tester for verifying shielded twisted pair, unshielded twisted pair, and coax cables, a 6-inch coaxial cable, the PA1119 All-in-One cutter stripper for coaxial and twisted pair cables, a 6-inch Ethernet cable, an Ethernet to gator clip cable, 20 RG6 and RG6 quad connectors, 10 RJ45 8-conductor modular plugs, 25 open pass Cat5e connectors, 2 coax adapters for the NC100, and 1 mini 110 punchdown and stripper tool, all contained in this rugged Paladin tool bag, with additional pockets on the front and back, a top handle, and shoulder strap. So keep all of your training tools in one place with the PA4590 Ethernet and coax training kit. You can also purchase the PA4590C consumable kit, which includes Cat5e raw UTP cable, RG6 raw coax cable, as well as the 20 RG6 and RG6 quad connectors, 20 RJ45 8-conductor modular plugs, and the 25 open pass Cat5e connectors.